The abrupt dismissal of Mines and Mining Development Minister Winston Chitando, while he was still on official duty in Masvingo, is not just a personal change. It is a seismic political signal. It marks the latest chapter in President Emmerson Mnangagwa's ongoing consolidation of power, and more pointedly, the formal emergence of KUTYA from the shadows of influence to the corridors of state authority. Zarabeda mashoko panguva ino vanhu yavachikomenda vachiti aiwa kuda kwachitagure panguva ino ari kufara after Winston Chitando afaiwa panguva inochonekwa kunzi aiwa mabusiness dealings avo anga asingafambi zvakanaka nekuda kwake. Toti subscribe like on the bell icon. Panapa chipomusarwa tinopedza post yake topinda macomments evanhu anoenda mberi achiti Minister Chitando thinking was not about performance. If anything, he was one of the few technocrats in Mnangagwa's cabinet with a credible track record in the mining sector. His removal is about power raw, strategic, and calculated. It is about clearing the path of a new kind of political actor, the oligarch. Tagwire, long whispered to be the regime's financial backbone, has operated with impunity and influence, but without formal accountability. These companies have been at the center of some of the most controversial state contracts in energy, fuel, and mining. Now it appears the veil is lifting. The elevation of Tagwire into a formal government role, still undisclosed but imminent, signals a shift from proxy power to direct control. Tibida macomments anoona chikomenda this post vachiti Kuba never liked Chitando. He hates him with passion. They traumatized this guy. Better azorore hake. Maprojects ose akaitwa na Chitando vakamavhiringidza ne percentage saka aingoshanda sei. Ndobva auya taura mamwe mashoko atisingakwanisi kutaura panapa. Vanobuda nyora chiti it's a case of unintended consequences. The transition was a necessary attempt at resetting the dynamics, which we hoped would help shape the future into an inclusive and progressive nation. Regrettably, it is what it is now. We need new heroes. Manowanyora achitiwo zvatosvorana. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ine pamusoro kwekufaiwa kwaWinston Chitando. Pina comment section medu mbodzidza mafundo enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa, muri Zimbabwe. Musangana subscribe or like, muchite on the bell icon.